also edible.
Oh.
It's a wild solanum plant.
Okay.
It has a very strong root system. The tolerance against viruses and fungus. So this is grass. It's cayenne. This cut it off, remove the leaves, and we graft it into this.
Okay.
So this is the graft we have done. So it will stay for years and years. And the less infestation is just also because it's little bit because of this root system. Little bit, not very big.
Whitefield rice cultivation.
Whitefield, huh?
Oh, what is it? It is big. ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಉದ್ದ ಮಾಲಿಂಗ ನಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಾ ಅವಾಗೇನು ನಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ very rich in protein. 23% protein. Meat has 18%.
Okay.
This has 23%.
14, eh?
Okay.
God.
It is for the cattle, chicken, or for even humans.
Achha.
Let's have some 3-4 inches deep water and let some seedlings and they will multiply.
How do you cook it? Boil it?
You need not cook it. Just remove the roots and you can eat them in
salad.
Or make for pakada bhaji. Good to eat it. Only eat it to supply. Every day from this it is only 3 into 4 is sorry. 12 kilometers. We collect 3 kilos every day.
3 kilos.
But just we bring it up to growing. In another 4 days it will totally covered up. Then every day we will remove. And next day it will be again full. Because it gets resting. So it is absorbed by this.
Tree, okay.
Yeah. So it gives them absorbed regularly. So it is poison for the small insects that you said. He just started. It's under system. Oil should always be. Never it should be sold. Good soil will always become particle, crumble. Even if you have gone powdering, because small things, it will not become powder. It will help your soil. It happens because of this microorganism. Today we are harvesting about maybe 50 kilos.
Children, no. Photo.
Other jirka.
Hey. Good.
Take one photo.
Of course. Come here.
This is the same plant.